So, meron tayong given. Ang hirap na mag-edit na ito, guys. So, ayun. Ang hirap. So, may given that is the integral of sine squared x dx from 0 to pi. So, identity ng sine squared x is 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. Then dx. So, ganun pa rin yung limits. So, ngayon, pinag-iwalay lang. So, magiging 1 half minus cosine 2x over 2. So, pag in-integrate na natin tong 1 half, magiging 1 half x na siya. Then, ito naman, yung 1 half is galing to dito sa denominator, tapos meron ditong 1. Then, pag in-integrate natin tong cosine 2x, that is magiging sine 2x over 2. So, ngayon, magiging 1 half x pa rin to. Ito naman, pag sinimplify natin, magiging 1 times sine 2x, which is negative 1 sine 2x siya. Then, 2 times 2, that is 4. So, pag in-evaluate na natin siya from 0 to pi, lalagay lang natin yung pi sa variable x sa una, kasi sa upper bound muna sa lahat ng variable x. So, bali magiging 1 half pi minus 1/4 sine 2 times pi minus yung sa lower bound. So, magiging 1 half times 0, then minus 1/4 sine 2 times 0. Then, evaluate na. So, yung 1 half times pi, that is pi over 2 minus 1/4 yung sine 2 times pi, that is 2 pi. So, magiging negative sine 2 pi over 4 minus yung 0. So, 1 half times 0 is 0. Then ito naman magiging 1/4 times sine 2 times 0, that is sine 0 over 4. So ngayon ito 0 na to, guys, based sa unit circle. Then ito naman na sine 2 pi, 0 rin to. So basically magiging pi over 2 na lang, minus 0 over 4 or 0, which is 2 pi. Yay!